Hey folks, welcome back. As you saw in the description, we're upgrading the C5 Corvette to the sleepy headlights. Now, if you still have the old headlights like this unit here, probably notice you really can't see much at night through them. You can upgrade them with the LED bulbs like I did. That made a considerable difference. But as time goes on, we just gotta spend money on our cars. So I am upgrading my headlights to the sleepy headlights, which give the car a whole new look. They only open about halfway. If you haven't seen these, throw a hashtag on Instagram for sleepy headlight and check them out. They make a huge difference in the appearance of your C5 Vet. So when you order a set of the sleepy headlights, this is what you get. You get 2 aluminum machine tilt arm brackets, and you get 2 LED headlight pods. These are all what appears to be aircraft aluminum powder coated black. The brackets on the side are machined aluminum, very high quality. So on the ends right here, you're gonna find that there's teeth machined into the brackets and the light itself on both ends. And that's so that you can index the headlight if you're not getting enough adjustment out of the factory adjusters that are on the headlight assemblies. So once these arrived and I tore the box open like a kid on Christmas morning, I quickly realized there's no directions on the install, and I did the next best thing. I went on YouTube and I watched a couple of videos that were out there on doing this. And in the couple of videos that are out there, I had to ask,
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, what are you doing? What are you doing?
So,
attention, son, this is for your own good.
I'm going to show you the easy way to do this. And the first step's going to be pop up your headlight, pop the hood, come over here, disconnect the headlight weather pack connector, then shut your headlights back off so that you don't kill your battery. Next thing you got to do, remove the headlight bezels. It's only a couple of screws. It's that plastic trim that goes around the headlight. Once that's done, you can start taking the headlight door off. Got a couple of hex head screws. One on this side, 2 on the back. And then you got one over on this side. You may want to put some masking tape on your hood so that you don't scratch the hood. And then take your headlight door off. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your headlight adjuster bracket off. And this is held on by 4 Torx head screws. And before you go pulling this off of there, take you a black Sharpie and just trace around the washers. Jesus, that's like nails on a chalkboard. That way, when you go to put this back on, you know exactly where it goes. Next step is going to be taking the headlight off. You have 2 10mm hex head screws on the back side of the headlight on the outside, and 1 on the inside. And there's passageways behind the headlight bracket to get to those. I just put a towel underneath here to kind of hold it in place. Going to access this one from the back side as well. that light's out. You're going to remove your motor arm, and this has just got a push-on connector. You'll push the pin right out, and then down here you'll have a nut on the motor that you'll have to remove. Once that nut's off of there, just give the arm a little bit of a shake, and that'll pop right off. And this will be what replaces it. You'll see it's machined right here so that your 10mm nut fits right back in there. And one thing I'll tell you about the bracket is, when these are made, the drive motor orifice here is made a little small because there's multiple size motors out there. So you may have to take a Dremel and open this up just a little bit. And once you've ground that and it slips over the shaft nice, slide your nut back onto the shaft there and tighten it down. Then just pick your door up, put your arm in place, and slide your pin back through. Put your push washer back on. Should probably show you this. I can get my lights set up here. You do have different holes along the side of here. So if your headlight's not coming up far enough, just take that 5/32 Allen bolt out of there, move it up a little more. All right, folks, that's where I'm gonna call it a night. It's almost 8:30. I think it's time to get on home. And I do have some parts coming in, some new headlight adjusters. Those should be here pretty early next week to finish this project up, and we will continue then. So we will catch you next time. If you found this video helpful, you know the routine. Smash that like button, or I think it's a thumbs up button. Yeah, thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you next week.